It's simple time, and this is Chef Tato, and today we are making our own version of a very classic recipe which you can prepare for the holidays. Let's start cooking!
Simple, simple, luto na ha.
Today we are preparing a whole chicken with 40 cloves garlic inspired by a very classic French dish. So, we are using a whole chicken, of course, from Fresh Options. And what we will do to be able to cook it whole na hindi tayo mahirapan at hindi tumagal yung pagluluto natin, we are going to break it apart. No? So, tawag dito ay spatchcock, where we will break the spine. So, gamit ko lang dito ay isang gunting. You can also use a knife. And we just break the chicken from the back. Pair of kitchen scissors. Yan. And of course, season with salt. Inside and outside, and pepper. Yan. And what we will do here, eto siya, this is our way para mas mabilis maluto yung ating chicken ay we are going to, open it up ganyan and press. Press natin. We can use a knife also. Just break it from the center. So our chicken is broken into, is spread apart, and we season with salt and pepper, generously with salt and pepper. Yan. Pepper on both sides. I have my plate and I will dredge it in flour. Yan. And I will dredge my chicken. Look at that. Yan. So if you have time to brine your chicken, you can salt it ahead of time. So it's like roasting a whole chicken, but you save time, you roast it at half the time. No? So if you roast a whole chicken for an hour, ito kaya to ma-roast in like 30 to 35 minutes. So, yan, our chicken is dredged in flour. And I will add butter to my pan. So pwede kang gumamit just an ordinary frying pan. And just transfer it later on into a baking pan. But for now, I'm using a cast iron skillet. Adding butter and olive oil. Yan. Ang bango. And I sear the chicken. Look at that, no? So I want to create a nice brown crust. Yan. So we are searing the chicken. So it cooks quicker kasi you're heating it not only from the outside as you would roast a chicken, but also from the inside kasi naka-butterfly nga yung ating chicken. So we're searing it until it has a nice color, no? Press down. So you don't rush it. It's very important that you're able to sear the chicken beautifully. Yan, it's nicely brown. Stir it over. Tingnan mo, nice color. Babaliktarin natin ating chicken. And baliktarin natin ating chicken. Yan. Nice. Very nice color. Look at that, diba? It looks like it's already roasted. And now, we add our garlic. So, we have 40 cloves of garlic. We arrange it around the chicken. Yan. It seems to have a lot of garlic, but what they usually do with the garlic, when it's cooked, it's going to be so tender. They usually use it to spread on bread. Diba? So, they have the baguette. And they use it as a spread. Instead of just plain butter, they use the mashed garlic. So, diba ang sarap niya? Dalawang laurel leaves. Yan. On each side. And, of course, some fresh thyme. Yan. Very nice fresh thyme put on the side. And for our liquid, you can use chicken stock. You can use white wine. But today, I'm doing something very accessible and you can do at home. We're using cerveza or beer. So, we're using pale Pilsen. Very nice. It will create a very nice multi-flavored sauce. So, you can actually cook the chicken here, no, over 30 minutes. Low fire hanggang maluto yung chicken. Just cover it up. When you serve it, magmumukha siyang roast chicken. Or you can just put it in the oven. So my oven is preheated to 200 degrees. I'm using, of course, my Breville Smart Oven. Yan, very convenient to use, and I will cook it for 30 minutes. So, luto na yung ating chicken using our Breville Smart Oven. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Yan. Ang ganda ng ating sauce. And just to finish, yan, I'll squeeze a lemon. Brighten up the flavor. Yan, look at that. I will sprinkle some rock salt. And freshly cracked black pepper. Yan. And your chicken is ready to serve. Our version of chicken with 40 cloves garlic. Alam ko, kaya nitong gawin sa bahay. It's so simple, and tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!